Well, guys, here is, it's the weekend, by the way, Sunday. Here's the air conditioner fully installed in the window properly. Of course, my boss didn't give me permission. Of course, I did this in secret. But I'm going to take it out today before Monday. I really wanted to test it to see if the window's properly sealed, how well it could cool the shop. And for 6,000 BTU, it's doing a pretty damn good job. Yesterday I did a video on this because it froze up and I thought that someone could have bumped the coil or sabotaged it or something, because someone put that in my head. So I went out there and I leak checked the frickin' thing like crazy. I'm going to throw that video in just anyway because it does show the outside of the unit. But I think it's because it was a little cool out and I had the thermostat all the way to 7, but now it's working fine. You know, that's just my stupid fault. Let me get there. So we got 66 going on, 65, and I got 50, 49. Yeah, this baby's cooling. Put the thermometer on that coil there. Oh, something's gotten really cold in there. It just kicked off, but it's working well. The reason that it is sticking out like this is because these bars, they end right there. So when I put the unit on top of the bottom of those bars to push this flush with this, there was such a big gap on the bottom of the air conditioner. It kept wanting to fall in like this. So it was just ridiculous, so that's why I did it this way. But, you know, nonetheless, it's all sealed. I siliconed around the cortex here like I always do to make it airtight. And it's doing really well. I also got a little slip of cortex in there too. I didn't put a filter in it yet, just because I knew I wasn't going to be running it that long. And, you know, it's gonna, I mean, I have to take it out. I don't really feel like getting bitched at. But this is the filter I would put in. I have this matrix of this blue fiberglass filter stuff. And it's really easy to cut. You just cut it and fit it in. So I have this right here, which I use for other air conditioners around the building for people who don't have filters. Going to be doing some more painting of the basement today, which I got a lot done yesterday. This is the paint I use. It's actually really good because it's like nail polish, and it may be oil, but I swear to God it dries in 30-35 minutes and you can move on to the next section. It's actually a really, really good paint. It smells like it has a very strong smell to it, but it dries as fast as nail polish. It's really good stuff, and I want to say it holds up for about a year. We paint the basement here once a year, and in between we usually have the guys scrub the floors, and, you know, of course the porters mop the basement every day. I'll give you a little look outside. One's here. So I did this here, and I did all the way back there to here right now, and I just have this little area here to go. But this is that paint. It's nice. It's nice. Yeah, big beautiful basement, by the way. Just didn't want anyone to see me filming. But yeah, just I guess like a little vlog too. This is another good paint. It's a oil-based black. It's called DTM, but it goes by another name now, Ultra Spec. It used to be called DTM, but it's Ultra Spec, and this is also a nice paint. It's good paint. So enough about paints. Talking about paints, but yeah, that's the little AC in the window. Again, it's going to be taken out today, and I'll throw that other video in. So the video you're going to see now was taken yesterday on Saturday when I thought someone sabotaged the outside, and I was checking the coil out and everything. I'm just going to throw it in for the hell of it. I mean, you know, I don't want a video sitting around on my phone, so I might as well use it. So yeah, enough chitter chatter. Alright, so you guys will see the next video, and thanks for watching, Mike out. It is on the outside. I definitely don't remember that. I think someone may have sabotaged this unit, I'm telling you. Because it has plenty of air. Up here, and on the side here. So there's got to be a leak somewhere in it now. I don't get why it would be sabotaged. But that was not like that, I can tell you that right now. Someone else's air conditioner is dripping on me now. I don't understand. Something's just not right here. I sprayed it with the leak bubbles and everything. I didn't get any leaks. I didn't get any bubbles around here. Because I know that first row is just a fake row, actually. But something's up. Something's up. Never did this before.